Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
It's recording and we're live, Char. You put your light on me, the light. You put your light on me, Jesus, lover of my soul. Jesus, I will never let you go. Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so yun na nga yung intro ko, no? Charot. So by the way guys, today we're going to go for a slight drag queen makeup tutorial. I don't know if I will be able to pull this through, but I guess you already seen it on the intro of this video. So by the way guys, this is a collaboration with my beautiful sisters in a beauty community, which is the Beauty Content Creators Philippines. Okay, so and I'm so happy to have this collaboration with them. And by the way guys, please check all their works. They need a shout out, they need a visit, and we love if you're going to subscribe to this channel and to their channel. So thank you so much for being here, and without further ado, let's hop into the video. I started off with a primer from Beauty Glaze, and as you can see, I'm applying an ample amount on my forehead wherein my face gets too oily sometimes, so I need primer, and also to protect ourselves from, you know, makeup is good, but you need some protection. And as well, first things first, my brows. We need to black our brows using this Elmer's glue. I'm not really good, especially in blocking eyebrows, especially in drag makeup. I'm not perfect, I'm still learning, so please leave a comment down below if you have suggestions. And same thing, I'm using Elmer's glue on the other side of my face. After that, I use a powder to seal it off, and then second is the concealer, lighter on my skin tone, and blending it with a beauty sponge. Just continue to blend until your brows will disappear. Okay, joking. Okay, after this, I'm going to add again another ample amount of powder, as you can see, and then while letting it dry, I also place this lip liner. The color of this lip liner, as you can see, is violet from Ever Belena. And at first I was skeptical on my brows, but later on I was able to adjust and work it on. Especially this time, as you can see, I made a mistake, but you know, mistake is a lesson, and if we learn a lesson, it will become perfect, hopefully. So right here, I'm just dabbing in violet color eyeshadow from Beauty Glaze Cosmetics and slightly connecting these two lines that I made, and then working up and adding up a little bit darker violet color, as you can see here, and then adding up black eyeshadow to intensify the eyeshadow that I made, and making our false crease, as you can see, adding a little bit of detailed, a little black here and there, and then blending it with violet eyeshadow. And then, as you can see, I'm putting on this Beauty Glaze Cosmetics glitters. I was planning to put on glitter primer, but it works well. And I also have this glitter, violet glitter on top of the silver one, and outlining my lash line with this black liner and as well as gel liner. It's a combo. For my foundation, I use the Maybelline Fit Me 128. Yes, because it will really cover up, give me that coverage that I need. As you can see, my face is a bit, acting up. I had a problem lately with purging, so I'm using products which I'm reviewing it soon on my channel. So don't forget to blend, and I'm using the same concealer from Beauty Glaze 01, and then in order to clean up that edges as well as my nose line and here on my mouth. And yes, blend, blend, blend. Don't forget to blend, of course. Blending is the key. Even the eyeshadow, you need to blend as well. So I'm a bit skeptical on what to do with this specific ethereal drag makeup transformation, but I hope that you're going to like this one, even though I messed up a lot. And using LA Girl contour, contouring this part of my face to give that a little tiny nose, but I guess my nose is too big. And blending again, blend, 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 and setting everything with the powder after blending the contour cream on my nose. Continue to blend, and as you can see, another baking under the area of my eyes and as well as the nose that we contoured earlier, and also my cheekbones, adding this orange color eyeshadow from NYX. And this area, basically I use this as my blush and my contour as well. I don't know what happened, I just love to play with colors. And baking to snatch the jawline, to snatch that contour that we made. Actually, I did not contour like the basic contour technique that I always make on this channel, but what I did is that I put on the orange concealer as my contour on my forehead and a little bit of my cheeks, and later on you will see that I will be using it as well on my cheeks. Blend, blend, blend. I really appreciate drag makeup, especially those who are really into it. Such an artistic way to of expression. And on my lower eyes, I also applied the same color scheme, dark violet, lighter violet, and then black eyeshadow. Blend everything, and voila. And I totally forgot to add white on the inner corner of my eyes because I was really carried away with my eyes. I totally forgot that I need to put on white just to add that dull effect on my eyes. Did I say eyes a lot? Sorry. So blend everything seamlessly so that it's perfect for me. Okay, and next is my lips. I did use the lip liner that I traced on my eyes, filling everything and then adding up a violet glitter from Beauty Glaze as well, but I'm not contented. I added the silver glitter, and as you can see, I used the Wet n Wild highlighter on the specific areas of my face, and then adding this violet crystals to complement with the color scheme that I made. And so far I'm loving it. Basically, if you don't know, these beads are supposedly my eyebrows,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.